lovely Loc Minions, and those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Mfon. I'm a teacher, a dancer, and hair guru for locks. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair real quick. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. So if you're interested, keep watching. And don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Wait, hold on. And keep coming back to my channel. Locs for you to love.
Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, for too long. 7 days a week, but now you